Welcome to SmartWeb YouTube channel. So today I'll be teaching you how to use Python to create a digital clock. Please, if you have not subscribed, only thing you can do for us is to help us to subscribe. You can see we are growing very fast. That's the only way you can support us. And if you like what we are doing, please just subscribe. Follow us on TikTok. Follow us on every social media platform. Give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. Let's dive straight into it. I'll be showing how you can create digital clock. Now, in creating digital clock, we'll be using VS Code. Now, I'll be telling you why we'll be using VS Code instead of Google Colab or Jupyter Notebook. Now, if you can see, this is the code. If I run this code here, you see it's bringing no display name and no display environment variable. So Jupyter Notebook or this kind of, I even was thinking it was an error, but no, Jupyter Notebook and Jupyter Notebook and Google Colab cannot run this kind of code because of graphical user interface. So we have to use something like VS Code. So I'll be teaching you how to do that. Now, first of all, how to create a folder first. Let's create a folder here. Let me do that. Let me create a folder and call it clock, clock. Now we'll open our VS Code. When we open our VS Code, um, let's open our VS Code. Okay, this is folder I created before, so we'll be creating a new one because that one doesn't exist. I deleted it. So we'll create a new file and let me still name it clock.py. Clock.py. We'll click on new, we'll click on new, then we'll locate our file. It is on our desktop. We'll locate it. Where is it? Clock. Okay, this is it. We'll open it, then we'll create this. When we create it, you see that we have a new environment. If you go to our desktop and click on let me see, let's switch off this. Let me show you something. Let me not switch off, let's quit it. If you click this and click on terminal, you can see this on our desktop already. If you click on cd clock, we enter. Let's open this automatically. Code click enter. Now it will open in the environment, right? In the environment. So what we'll do here is this. Let's paste our code. This is our code. First of all, we have to import your Tkinter as TK, which is your use for your graphic user interface on Windows. Now you import your time. From time, import this. Then your root is this, and your root, the title of your root is digital clock. Then another thing is your clock label, tk.label, the root, which is this. You are calling out this variable. Now if you want to read more about this, you can keep your mouse on this and allow it to come out, and it will tell you what this thing does in each code. What it does, you can see this, you can see, you can read some of these things. A new TC interpreter will be created. Base name will be used for the identification. Now the font of the clock, this is what it is. This is the background. You want it to be black, and this is the font color, which is white. Then the clock label, the back, you want it to be center in both side. Then you have to define your function, which is update label. Now this means the hour, the minutes, the seconds, and all that. So the clock.configure text equals to your current time to be able to print your current time. Then the clock.app in bracket, then 1000, every 1000, it be running after 1000 seconds. Then every seconds, this means call function for once for given time. M specify the time in milliseconds, gives the function which shall be called. Now you update your label. So after all this, if you can see the code, after writing all this, so what you need to do is to open your terminal. You can run this on your terminal here. Open your terminal here. Then to run it, you type Python, because this is a Python code. You have space. Now this is the name of our directory, right? Which is our file clock, the spelling clock.py. Click enter. Why is it not running? Clock dot py, this is supposed to be running. Why didn't I copy it very well? Okay, let me save it first. Let me run. So let's run this the python clock, right? You can see this is better, so make sure that you save it. I didn't save it, that's why the clock didn't run. So this is how it is done. You can see the time. Now I want to try something. I've not tried it. Let me quit this. Let me try to use this terminal to run it and see if it works. I've not tried it before. Python clock py. Oh, it works here. So in any way, you can use your Jupyter notebook to run it, and you can also use this Windows PowerShell terminal to run this. So this is a way you can actually create time using Python code. So you can see the code here. You can see the code here, and make sure after creating it with your VS Code, you save it. Thank you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye.